unboxing of the new Anastasia Glow Kit, Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, as well as the new Nude matte collection. So I wanted to make this video super fast and just do the lip swatches and then try the highlight on my cheek, just so I could get it out as soon as possible for you ladies so you can see it before the launch. So the PR package came like this. Ooh, it's so pretty. The packaging is beautiful. And it just says Dream, and then they also sent a new A23 brush. And I love this brush, so I'm so excited that I got a new one. So this is how it looks on the inside. My lighting is kind of bad, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the colors very well. But there's a nice range. This one's like a peachy color with purple reflex in it. They're all like holographic. This one has pink with purple reflex. This one's like a greenish color. This one's purple, yellow, and then like a rose gold. These are so pretty, especially if you love using color. You're gonna love these. So in today's video, I'm just gonna probably try this one. It's called Wish. Ooh, this is really pretty. On camera, it's not showing up, but it does have like a holographic pink undertone to it, which is really, really pretty. Ooh, I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this color on top. Wow, it is like so pigmented. And I barely dipped my brush in there. So I can imagine like if you wet the brush. Sorry, I always look this way because that's where my monitor is, so I can see like if I'm in frame or not. And I guess it works because then you can see the highlight, but wow, it is so pretty. I'm gonna pop that color into my inner corners. So the lipsticks came in this packaging, super pretty. There's 6 shades, so I'm just going to swatch them on my lips and then I'll explain as I do each one. I wanted this video to be straight to the point. I'm also not going to use lip liner just so you guys can see the true color of each of these lipsticks. The first one is called Soft Touch. So this one is called Soft Touch. It's like such a pretty light pink shade. This is like my type of color. Like these are the only colors I usually wear like day to day because I'm kind of basic like that. I read Norvina wanted to go as light as she could with this collection without them being pasty or like ashy looking. So far so good. This color is so pretty.
It's fun.
The next color is called Nude. So this color is like almost my skin color, so the color Nude perfectly suits it. Oh my goodness, I'm like so far obsessed with this collection. Like, oh my gosh, I can't even explain. It's so nice. And honestly, I thought this color was going to be darker just by looking at it in the bullet, but it's actually lighter than I thought it was going to be. This reminds me of back in the day when me and my best friend used to wear concealer as lipstick. So embarrassing, but we wanted like really light lips. I love the formula of the Anastasia matte lipsticks because they're super easy to remove and they're not drying at all. So if you find that the liquid lipsticks are too drying for you, definitely try out these matte lipsticks. The next color we have is called Hollywood. So the next color is called Petal. describe this as a perfect pink color. It's like a light pink, not as light as the first one that I tried on, but it's a very pretty color, especially if you're darker skin tone than me. This would be beautiful. These lipsticks, like I said before, they're so comfortable. Like, they're matte, but they're not drying at all. They feel really light on your lips, and I love them. Next, we have the color Sweet Pea, and this is such a pretty, like, light lilac-y shade. I'm excited to try this one out. Super pretty. It really reminds me of the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Koala. So if you have that, it's very similar. This one's a bit darker, but it's such a pretty light purple shade. This is so perfect for summer. This color is called Sedona.
It's fun.
So I love, love, love this color. I don't even know how to explain this one. It's like, it's not that corally, and it's not that pinky, and it's not mauve. Like, it's such a unique shade. I do have to say this one is my favorite. So if you can decide which one you want to get, I'd say get Sedona, because this is so, so pretty. Wow, every color I tried, I'm like, okay, this is my favorite. Then I tried another, and I'm like, okay, this is my favorite. So I guess we can come to the conclusion that the whole collection is amazing. Thank you so much to Anastasia for sending me this collection. So those are all of the colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys get your hands on at least one of these shades when it launches. They're all so, so pretty and so unique. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure you hit that like button if you liked it and leave me a comment. I love hearing your guys' feedback. If you guys want to see any videos, make sure to leave me a comment. And last but not least, make sure you guys subscribe.